Today, we're diving into the world of emergency funds and sharing the top 5 savings hacks for beginners. Whether you're just starting to build your financial safety net or looking to enhance your existing fund, these tips will help you navigate the process with ease. Having an emergency fund is crucial for unexpected expenses or financial setbacks that life may throw your way. It provides a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that you have a financial cushion to fall back on when needed. In this video, we'll walk you through practical and effective strategies to kickstart or boost your emergency fund savings. First up, we'll discuss the importance of setting specific savings goals for your emergency fund. Having a clear target in mind can motivate you to stay on track and prioritize saving for unforeseen circumstances. Next, we'll explore the concept of automating your savings. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund, you can effortlessly grow your savings without even thinking about it. We'll also touch on the significance of creating a separate account for your emergency fund. Keeping your emergency savings separate from your regular spending money can help prevent the temptation to dip into it for non-essential expenses. Additionally, we'll share tips on cutting back on unnecessary expenses to free up more money for your emergency fund. Lastly, we'll discuss the power of consistency in building your emergency fund. Small, regular contributions can add up over time and make a significant difference in your financial preparedness. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to optimize your emergency fund savings and be better equipped to handle unexpected financial challenges. Imagine this: you're cruising through life, everything seems to be going smoothly, and then suddenly you're hit with an unexpected expense that throws your financial stability off balance. It's a scenario many of us have faced at some point in our lives, highlighting the importance of having an emergency fund. Historically, the concept of emergency funds dates back to ancient times when people would set aside resources for unforeseen events like crop failures or natural disasters. Fast forward to today, and the need for emergency funds remains as critical as ever, given the unpredictable nature of life. For beginners, building an emergency fund can seem daunting. Common obstacles include not knowing where to start, struggling to save consistently, or feeling overwhelmed by the idea of setting money aside for the unknown. However, with the right strategies and mindset, these challenges can be overcome. One of the key opportunities in creating an emergency fund is the sense of financial security it provides. Knowing that you have a safety net in place can alleviate stress and worry, allowing you to navigate unexpected financial hurdles with confidence. Additionally, having an emergency fund can prevent you from going into debt or relying on high-interest loans in times of crisis. By implementing savings hacks tailored for beginners, such as setting specific goals, automating savings, and cutting back on unnecessary expenses, you can gradually build a robust emergency fund. Consistency is key in this journey, as small, regular contributions can add up over time and strengthen your financial resilience. Let's empower ourselves to face whatever life throws our way with confidence and financial preparedness. Here are the top 5 emergency fund savings hacks for beginners. 1. Setting specific savings goals. Begin by determining how much you want to save in your emergency fund. For example, aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This clear target will keep you focused and motivated to reach your savings goal. 2. Automating your savings. Make saving effortless by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund. By automating your savings, you ensure that a portion of your income goes directly into your fund without you having to remember to do it manually. 3. Creating a separate account. Open a separate savings account specifically for your emergency fund. This separation helps prevent you from dipping into your savings for non-emergency expenses. It also allows you to track your progress and see your fund grow over time. 4. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending to free up more money for your emergency fund. For instance, consider cutting back on dining out, subscription services, or impulse purchases. Redirecting these funds towards your savings can accelerate your progress. 5. Consistency is key. Building an emergency fund is a marathon, not a sprint. Make regular contributions, no matter how small, to your fund. Over time, these consistent efforts will add up and strengthen your financial safety net. By implementing these 5 savings hacks, you can kickstart your emergency fund journey and build a solid financial foundation. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and prioritize your financial well-being. With dedication and smart saving strategies, you'll be well equipped to handle any unexpected financial challenges that come your way. While setting specific savings goals is crucial for staying on track, some experts argue that focusing on a range rather than a fixed amount can provide more flexibility. By aiming to save between 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses, you can adapt your goal based on your individual circumstances and comfort level. Automating your savings is widely recommended as a convenient way to grow your emergency fund consistently. However, some individuals prefer a more hands-on approach, manually transferring money to their savings account each month. This method allows for greater awareness of your saving habits and can be empowering for those who enjoy a more active role in managing their finances. Creating a separate account for your emergency fund is a popular strategy to prevent mixing these savings with your regular spending. Yet, some financial advisors suggest keeping your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account or a money market account to maximize your savings through higher interest rates. This approach can help your fund grow faster over time, potentially increasing your financial security. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses is a fundamental step in boosting your emergency fund. However, it's essential to strike a balance between saving diligently and enjoying life in the present. Finding ways to save without sacrificing all of life's pleasures can make the process more sustainable and enjoyable. Consistency remains a key factor in building your emergency fund, but the frequency and amount of your contributions can vary based on your financial situation. Whether you choose to save a fixed amount each month or contribute a percentage of your income, the most important thing is to establish a routine that works for you and aligns with your long-term financial goals. Remember, it's not about how much you save at once, but the consistency and dedication you put into growing your fund over time. Your emergency fund serves as a financial safety net, providing you with the security and flexibility to navigate unforeseen circumstances without added stress or worry. I encourage you to take action today by implementing these savings hacks and starting or enhancing your emergency fund. Share this video with friends and family who may benefit from these tips, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial advice and tips on building a secure financial foundation. Thank you for watching, and remember, your financial well-being is worth investing in. Stay proactive, stay consistent, and watch your emergency fund grow to safeguard your financial future. See you in the next video.